Okay, Dior is insane right now. Freaking insane.
God, look at
Look at the napkins. And then look at the tray. And then the glass holders.
okay.
Elevator moment. Okay, spend that money.
Mom, that you did not make yet.
To show you the Lady Art for this year. Spectacular.
My favorite.
Look at this. Wow, this one is also one of my favorites. There was a Lady Dior like this as well, I thought.
Yeah.
I don't see it anymore.
There was a bigger one too. There was a bigger one
Yeah, I
that
saw the
size,
bigger
yeah.
one. Quanto?
Aquela de 8
Amiga, essa tá um show.
Olha que vestido.
You got the choker? Okay, this is the look for today. Louis Vuitton boots, Louis Vuitton skirt, and super cute top from Reformation that I just bought. We are checking out the sales, so kind of having a little too much fun. Look at that, everything here is 50% off. Hello. These are the goodies on sale. Look at these shoes. How gorgeous. Look at these. The sneakers. I am in love with these boots. Brand new. This jacket is everything. Oh my gosh. Wow. This is the poncho. And then look at this jacket. Gorgeous skirt. Oh, look at the cute shorts. Oh, look. It says Dior right here. That's adorable. Wow, everything pink. Guys, how gorgeous is that bag? Oh my gosh. And I'm also in love with the little vanity cases. How cute.
Oh, but yeah, adorable.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, how cute. Lady Dior. And then I have to show you this one right here. The detail on this one is unreal.
You were asking me about this.
How cute. Oh my gosh. And then the bobby. I'm looking for a white bag. Look at this, the 30 Montaigne in white. That'd be perfect, right? And then look, they have it with silver as well, but I want the gold. Mini. I'm having a heart attack.
More than 10 for sure.
Oh my gosh, this is like a cupcake.
More than 10, mine are 12.
Look at our girls just chilling. Obsessed. I love the colors. Oh my gosh. Do you know my obsession, Eva? Right here.
Oh my god, the cheese.
This is my obsession. Ooh, I love these, Val. No? They're pretty heavy. That is on my list. That is definitely on my list. It's gorgeous. Look at that. Gorgeous. No, that would be the exact one I would get.
Everything about Harbor. It's from about Harbor.
Okay, so these were the new ones that I saw Kylie actually showing on her stories. And then these boots are brand new. They're super hot. They were sold out already on the website.
I just got
Look at this bougie-licious child over here. Oh my, Ava! You are dripping, bro. She's dripping. She's got drip.
Cannot afford it. I can't create a monster.
How stunning the Celine boutique here. Oh my gosh. How beautiful. Wow. Look at that. Oh, look how beautiful. Classic Celine, huh? Doesn't get any better than this. Look at that. Oh my gosh, this is stunning. This is for boys. Look at this. Look at the men's. Oh my gosh, this is incredible. Look at that, there's a pyramid. Oh, this is beautiful.
This must be like a
All right, so this is a bag in homage of the Celine headquarters in Paris, and Hailey Bieber has been spotted carrying this baby. They have a bigger size as well. And this is classic Celine. Check that out. Wow. What a bitch, bro.
We have 2 baby bees.
What the hell, bro? Wow, look at this. We are ready to go to dinner. Hello, girls' night out. I'm actually starving. I just put my perfume is so oily, like I look oily. Yeah. They're not believing me. They're not believing me because I'm telling them next trip I'm gonna be so skinny they won't even recognize. There you go.